How to buy an online Roblox gift card on Amazon. Follow these steps to purchase an official Roblox digital gift card safely and instantly via Amazon. Step 1. Go to Amazon, for example, Amazon.com, and type Roblox digital gift card into the search bar. Choose the listing directly from Roblox or Amazon for a legitimate purchase. Step 2. Pick between digital codes, instant delivery via email or your Amazon account, and physical cards that ship to your address. Choose a value like $10, $25, $50, or more, depending on how many Robux you want. Step 3. Click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. Choose your payment method like card, Amazon Balance, PayPal, and confirm your email or shipping details. Step 4. Digital cards arrive in your email within minutes or appear in your Amazon account. Physical cards take several business days to arrive. Step 5. Go to roblox.com/redeem. Log into your Roblox account and enter the 12-character code. The Robux or exclusive item will be added instantly, sometimes with bonus Robux if bought via web or digital card. Just a quick tip, Amazon often runs promotions or discounts like 20% off a $25 card, especially around holidays or Prime Day. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.